Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of my latest mosaic? Alice in Wonderland meets Humpty Dumpty. Now I didn't set out to illustrate Alice in Wonderland. Instead, if you've been following me, you'll know that I've been exploring the relationship between Alice and the dodo being Lewis Carroll himself, as I've explained. But as a result of that series, I've been commissioned to make this, Humpty Dumpty and Alice. And the reason I didn't set out to illustrate Alice is it's been done so many times and so well. So Lewis Carroll himself was the first person to illustrate it. And then of course we get the definitive version, I think we'll all agree, by Sir John Tenniel. Check out Sir John Tenniel. He was the first illustrated cartoonist to be knighted. He was a political cartoonist for Punch, and he had these amazing mutton chop moustaches, which you don't see nowadays, of course. Although I do remember Rhodes Boyston in the Thatcher government in the 70s, he had these mutton chop moustaches. And although he was very eloquent, I personally could never take him seriously because of these silly, what I thought were these silly moustaches. Anyway, over the years, since then, it's been illustrated more times, I think, than any other children's book. So, for example, we've got Arthur Rackham, we've got Peter Blake, Helen Oxenbury, Emma Chichester-Clark, Ralph Steadman, Chris Riddell, the list just goes on and on. So I didn't feel I could add anything to that. What I have added, of course, is the glass. So I like it, I hope you like it, and I wonder if Sir John Tenniel would have liked it.